To use Giftgenie.ai, follow these steps. Begin by visiting the Giftgenie.ai website. You can either type Giftgenie.ai directly into your web browser or click on the link provided in the description below. Once you're on the website, you'll see a prompt bar captioned "Describe your giftee" below. This is where you can provide some information about the person you're looking to buy a gift for. Start by thinking about what they are like. Consider their personality, interests, hobbies, and any specific likes or dislikes they may have. After you've thought about the person and what they might like, go ahead and type your description into the prompt bar. Once you've entered the information, click on the "Brainstorm Their Gifts" button. The AI will then start generating gift ideas based on the description you provided. As the AI generates the gift ideas, you'll see a list of suggestions appear on the screen. Each idea will include a brief description and an image. You can scroll through the list to browse through the various options. If you find a gift idea that catches your interest, simply click on it. This will take you to an online store where you can purchase the gift. Giftgenie.ai provides direct links to make the shopping process quick and convenient for you. Feel free to explore multiple gift ideas and click on different options to explore various online stores and prices.